There's Rocky, and Milo, Trixie. There's Jager, and Coco, and little Ellie puppy. Hi, Ellie puppy. And Max. Hi, Max. And Lola. Hi, Lola. And there's Dixie Girl. Odin, we hear you. We hear you, Ode. Aw, Milo. That feels good in the sun, huh, Milo? You trying to take that sweater off? You're like, I don't want this pink sweater on me. Is that what you're saying? Easy with your sister, Maxie. And Jager. Cute little Rocky. Hi, Rox. Hi, sweet Rox. And Homer dog. You two are funny. All right, Milo, come on, let's go. And there's Lucky. Lucky dog. Hi, Lucky. Oh, Lola. And there's Cooper. There's Parley. There's Jack. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. Thanks for the kisses. Hi, Lola. Chewy. I see a Chewy. Oh, hi, other Chewy. There's two Chewies right there. Huh. I called your name too, didn't I? Is that a good scratch right there? Is that a good scratch? Hi, Lucky dog. Lucky. Lucky. Hi, Parley. Hi, Milo. And Dixie Girl. Dixie Girl. And there's Harley. Our blind Harley that does so great. Huh, Harley? Yes, you're so sweet. And there's Claire. Sweet, sweet Claire. Oh, and there's our Dexter boy. Hi, Dex. Yeah, you guys are good babies. Yes, you are. You're so good. And there's Ollie. Ollie! And Homer and Tilly. And Trixie. And Chewy and Jack. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Yes. Hi, Barley. Barley P. Hi, Trixie girl. And there's Max. And Harley. And our little Chewy. Hi, Choo Choo. You're so sweet. Hi, Shadow. Hi, Shadow. Somebody's coming in. You guys are all trying to say hi? You're all trying to say hi? Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Is there anybody in here? Let's see if we have anybody in here. Oh, Lucky and Buddy. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi, Buddy. Hi, Lucky. And Shadow. Cooper. Hi, Goops. Hi, Goops. All right, guys. Good Tilly. That's a good Tilly girl. And our Parley baby. Max. Maxie. And Shadow. And Parley again. There's Patty. Patty just got here. Patty! And Jager. And Ellie Girl. And Jack up there. You gotta fix the jacket. Gotta fix that jacket, huh, Coop? Alright, guys. We'll see you next time, okay? See ya.